Hello everyone. So today we'll learn about Zoho subscription. We are currently using a live production environment so that you get a good feel about how exactly it looks and a real feel about it. So currently we are on the dashboard of Zoho subscriptions, and we want to actually create a subscription for a customer for whom we have already created one subscription before. Meanwhile, we are gonna create one new one. So we go to subscription section. We can also click here as to add one new, but we go to subscription section. We see all our subscriptions mentioned here. So we click on the new button on the right side, blue one. So, and we select the customer name here. So the name we have is Yashat. So once we have this particular person selected, we will see the email ID is mentioned here, and email ID here is a very important aspect of a subscription. So in case you don't have an email ID for a particular customer, then the system will pop up and demand you an email ID for that particular subscription, so that every month it can charge automatically to the customer and send an email to the person. Point further is that we have already pre-configured the products in the Zoho subscriptions that we have currently being used. So we have to click on the products that are created before. So we have a product called Kindergarten INT, which we are going to use, and we have a plan there called Daycare. So once selected, we can put a rate, or if the price is different, we can change it here. In currently, whatever amount you mentioned here, that is going to be used properly. And in case you had a setup fee or some registration fee mentioned in the initial plan, then that would have been showing on the bottom. But currently, we do not have this in this particular subscription. In case you want to apply coupon, you can use the coupon codes, and to know how to create a coupon code, you can select you can go to the link below in the description section about the coupon, how to create a coupon inside Zoho subscriptions. So we one thing to note about the coupon code is that if you select any coupon code, it will be only applicable to the monthly charge that is being applied on the customer, not on the registration or the setup fee. So of course the coupon also is based on how exactly the coupon is made. It can be monthly, it can be one time. So the video in the link below is better to explain that. So we are currently not going to use any coupon in this subscription. One of the things further is that we want to use a particular subscription number. Like we can use a custom number, so we are going to use TCIS22B because we already used A, and the alphanumeric area can be only used on the left side. The right side is auto-generated number, so we cannot change that. So we are changing the number which we want to use for this particular person, and we are going to use different cycles. So we are using 11 cycles right now. We're not going to use the never expire, otherwise you can use if it's the ongoing ever-going subscription. Meanwhile, we also want to change the date on which the subscription starts. This is a very important step, because many times your subscription may not be starting from the mid of the month, it will be starting from the start of the month, and it's very easy to forget that. So it's always better to recheck this area even after everything is created. If we select a pre-date, then what happens, the system automatically shows a hidden fee area called create invoice for the current billing cycle, which we actually want to use. So we will use that. So what will happen, one invoice will be created for this particular cycle, while currently the date it is showing is because the subscription is starting before the current date, so this particular area is coming up and we want to use that. In case you have any salesperson who is involved in this particular sale of this subscription, then that can be used. The department is the custom field that we created in Zoho subscriptions ourselves, and we want to use that, can be used as departments, website, brand, whatever we want to use. So department is also one of the terms in fields in the CRM, so you have to make sure that you know what you're doing. But currently, for the purpose of our need, we have used this particular thing as departments, and we have used the website name. Meanwhile, you can use anything. And further, we have the option of collect payment mode, collect payment offline. So we have this set up in this preferences area. So that's how it is showing up. Otherwise, in the preferences area, you can make it enable, disabled. The net payment terms are 10 days, and we have already pre-configured payment gateways in this particular Zoho subscription, which is ICICI Bank Easy Pay as well as Razorpay. So for this particular purpose of this particular subscription, we are not going to use Razorpay. And in case you're looking for a Razorpay gateway for yourself, or a payment gateway for yourself, then you can definitely go for Razorpay, which is full of features, very easy, all-in-one kind of portal. And to get extra benefited, you can use the referral link below in the description section, which you can use and get extra credits in your Razorpay account. Further, if you go to other preferences, we have the invoice template which can be used. It can be changed as per your requirement, and the customer notes which are pre-defaulted, and you can change if you want to. Now once everything is done, I would suggest you to go back and check everything again, because it is very important, because subscription is something which is created once but continues for a good amount of time, and the mail and everything goes to the client, so it becomes a very formal approach. So once satisfied with your information, go to continue. Now the point is that if you note, as I said, that subscription is very important step where it's one-time approach and it goes to the client. So it is very important to review it. So Zoho itself gives you an opportunity to review by subscription preview before it creates that subscription. So if you notice that we have already created in the way we have created, but if you notice here that immediate subscription charge is 0. How exactly that is possible? Because we made that the subscription should be charged on 1st of April. So there was an amount for that. It was for the current cycle. So how exactly it is coming 0? And again, on a recurring charge, it is showing 2000, which should have been showing in the first segment also. But why exactly it is showing like this? The reason is because the client already have paid for this particular subscription in advance. So because of that, what is happening, that there were some excess payment in the account which is getting adjusted to the initial billing cycle. So that's why the initial amount charge will be 0, which is good, and at the same time your subscription will continue accordingly. The recurring charge will be 2000, so every month it will be charged till 11 months as per our current cycle. So after you are satisfied with all the information that you have given to the system, and you can click on create subscription. So once you are done creating subscription, you will see this particular page where it shows how exactly it is working. 10 cycles remaining, because we actually were starting on 11 cycles. Amount already charged once, number is fine, so all seems fine. Now the point to be noted is, because I said this subscription is the second part of us, already a subscription is going on this particular customer, and in case you want to check if there is any other subscription going on with the customer, you can click on the customer's name. So on the left side, I click on the customer's name, and I see that there are 2 subscriptions running on the customer name. So here it shows a wonderful way of how exactly the customer, every month the customer will be charged, and the important part is it's live. So live word is very important. In case you are creating a future subscription for next month, then it will show future here instead of live, and in case they are unused credit like it is showing here, so that's how it is showing as unused credit. You can create as more subscriptions for this particular account if you need. So this is the way how you create subscription, and in case you are looking to have a subscription, Zoho subscription for yourself, or Zoho One for yourself, or Zoho CRM for yourself, or any other Zoho product, you can use our referral code in the link below, which will give you a benefit of $100 credit in your wallet for your paid plans in Zoho applications. Meanwhile, in case you feel that any other area you want our videos on, and the videos which can help you, then do let us know that which particular segment application of Zoho you want to have the videos on, as well as what is the area of that particular application where you feel that we should create more videos on. And in case you like this video, do like and subscribe and share with the people who are interested in this one, as well as do let us know that how exactly we can improve this video further. So I hope you like this video. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Bye.